Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are small changes really powerful enough to transform a factory? Yes, that's the magic of Kaizen, a Japanese concept that helps improve productivity, reduce waste, and empower workers. In this video, you'll learn what Kaizen is, how it works, and how you can apply it right now. Let's get started. What is Kaizen? The word Kaizen comes from two Japanese words. Kai means change, and Zen means good. So together, Kaizen means change for better. Kaizen isn't about big changes overnight. It's about making small, continuous improvements, every day, by everyone, everywhere in the organization. Kaizen is based on 5 key elements: teamwork, everyone contributes, not just managers; personal discipline, follow standards and keep things organized; improved morale, celebrate small wins and motivate workers; quality circles, small groups that meet to solve problems; suggestions for improvement, everyone is encouraged to share ideas. Kaizen gives workers the power to improve their own work. This builds ownership and responsibility. The Kaizen process. Here's how a typical Kaizen activity works in a factory. Step 1. Identify a small problem or area for improvement. Step 2. Gather a small team, can include i.e., operators and supervisors. Step 3. Analyze the current method or process. Use simple tools like 5 whys or a fishbone diagram. Step 4. Propose a simple solution. Test it right away. Step 5. Standardize the improved process if it works. Step 6. Share the learning with others. This is called a Kaizen event or Kaizen Blitz, and it usually lasts 1 to 5 days. Tools that support Kaizen. Kaizen often uses simple but powerful tools, like 5S, workplace organization, sort, set, shine, standardize, sustain. 5 whys, asking why, multiple times to find the root cause. PDCA cycle, plan, do, check, act suggestion box, for employees to submit ideas, standard worksheets, to document improved methods. These tools help Kaizen become part of daily factory life. So remember, Kaizen is not about perfection. It's about progress, step by step, every day. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll see big changes over time. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe for more content on lean, IE, and garment productivity.